Hi everyone, welcome to the Rush Fitness Studio. My name is Monica and I'm here back with Pavan Muktasan Series 2. So in Pavan Muktasan Series 1 we did joint mobilizing series, and these series, Pavan Muktasan Series 2, will focus on your digestive tract, your core muscles, abdomen muscles, pelvic floor muscles, and of course the leg and the entire abdomen. So let's get on to the mat. So these series will start with the base position, which is the lying down position. So let's get started. लेट जाएंगे ऐसे. Okay. We'll start from the left leg. Okay, the first asana is Padottanasana, straight leg raise. With inhalation, take your leg up. With exhalation, take it down. We can continue this for 10 reps each side. Switching sides, right leg sit. With inhalation, take it up, and exhalation, take it straight down. Again with inhalation up and with exhalation down. Another variation is continuing it from both legs. For this, strong support of arms and shoulders is required to avoid any strain on neck and the lower back. Again, we can continue this for 10 reps. So the next asana is Padma Chakrasana, which is leg rotations. With inhalation, we circle the leg up. With exhalation, we circle it down. Again, strong support of arms and shoulders. Switching sides. With inhalation, taking it up, and with exhalation, down. With inhalation up and exhalation down. Okay, the same variation, continuing it from both legs. इसमें थोड़ी कोर स्ट्रेंथ लगेगी, तो आपको कोर थोड़ा सा अपना टाइट रखना है, पेट की मसल्स टाइट रखने हैं. इनहेलेशन, दोनों पैर ऊपर, एक्सहेलेशन डाउन. आप दोनों पैर नीचे भी रख सकते हैं. कंटिन्यूइंग इट फॉर काउंटर क्लॉक एंड क्लॉकवाइज. Next asana is Path Sanchalanasana, which is cycling. तो पहले लेफ्ट पैर से with exhalation अपनी तरफ पैर को करना है, and with inhalation straighten your leg, and again with exhalation अपनी तरफ. Try not to touch your heel on the floor, जैसा भी मेरा हो गया था. Same, continue this for clockwise and anti-clockwise. Opposite पैर से भी. With inhalation, straighten your leg. With exhalation, take it towards you. इसको भी 10-10 बार कर सकते हैं, क्लॉकवाइज एंटी क्लॉकवाइज दोनों पैर से. नेक्स्ट फ्रॉम द सीरीज इज पवन मुक्तासन, सुप्त पवन मुक्तासन. तो विथ इनहेल करते हुए हम अपने घुटने को अपने पास लेके आएंगे एंड हग इट फ्रॉम बोथ द आर्म्स. विथ एक्सहेलेशन, लिफ्ट योर नेक एंड शोल्डर्स अप, and we'll hold this for 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Same from other leg. With exhalation, come up and same, hold for 5 breaths. If you are flexible enough, आप अपना फोरहेड भी टच कर सकते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the next practice is Jhula Lutkan Asan, the rock and roll pose as the name says. So we'll hug the knees, both knees from both arms, and we'll rock from side to side. Massaging your entire back, stomach. Another variation is rocking forward and back. Be soft on your back when you land. And that's it. You can continue this for 10 seconds, both the variations. So next asan is spinal stretch, supine spinal stretch. So we'll take both the arms and place it at the back of the neck like this. We'll fold the both knees like this, and with exhalation we'll twist both legs to the sides and looking opposite. With inhalation we'll come back to center. With exhalation again we'll go down. Again back to center. Exhalation again down. Again 10 counts each sides. Okay. Next is universal spinal stretch, Shava Udrakarshan Asan. So we'll fold the knee like this, any knee, okay? Arms wide open. Take your right hand, hold the right knee, exhale and twist and look opposite. With inhalation back, again with exhalation. And release. So the last from the series is boat pose. You will make a board out of your body. So let's start. With inhalation, strengthen your abdomen muscles and come up to a boat. Balance your entire body on your buttocks. With exhalation, gently release. Alright guys, this was it for today's yoga session. I hope you liked the video. For any query, do reach out to us and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Rush Fitness Official. Thank you.